activity first. Come on. Opo, you help them to plant the flowers. Okay? And then now, give your soil. This is your soil. You use the soil. Then you put it on the pot and then so that you can plant the flowers. Shani, you put the soil here also, Shani. You put just small one. How about arcade? Come on, arcade. You know what? It's okay, you share po. The arcade, I'll give you the pot. You share po. Arcade. You have to plant also the flowers.
Okay.
Here.
We're going to
You share. You say Maro. You say Maro. How about Harry? You're done na, Harry? You done na, Harry? Then after you plant your flowers, you can use the, you can water the flowers. You can use the spray. This one, oh. You water the plant. Oh, you take turns. You wait for your turn. You water the plant. Only here, on the soil, on the soil. Opo. Oh, you plant, oh, what Harry? Oh, you plant now. You plant the flowers. So you take turns, Opo. Take turns. Wait for your turn.